Okay. Jai Hind everyone.
Jai Hind, sir.
Okay, so you all done with your fair sheet and rough sheet?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how was the topic? Good. Make in India. Okay, so are you ready for your narration part and your GD part?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in the narration, each of your candidate will be allotted 1 minute, and in that 1 minute, you will start with your introduction, and in the introduction, you will mention your name, you belong from, your education qualification, your hobbies, and the reason to join Indian Air Force. Understand?
Yes, sir.
And after the completion of your introduction, you will start the topic narration. And after the completion of last test number, that is number 8, you will immediately start your group discussion. And in that group discussion, remember gentlemen, you will not make chaos or the fish market. Give everyone chance to speak. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll start with chest number 5 and we'll further proceed to chest number 8. Okay? So chest number 5, start.
Yes, everyone. My name is Veeru Singh Rajput. I hail from Rajasthan. I completed my intermediate in year 2023 in PCB from Rajasthan State Board. Right now, I am pursuing my BSc from MGS University. My hobbies are to read books and go to gym to maintain my physique and health. And I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives an adventurous life and I want to serve the nation as well. Now, the topic which has been assigned to us today, Make in India. Make in India is a flagship initiative launched by Government of India on 25th of September 2014. It is aimed to boost our economy and encourage new startups and create opportunities of jobs and attract foreign investors as well, and to put our nation on the eve of high growth. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Swaroop Singh Rajput. I am a resident of Palni in Rajasthan. I have successfully completed my class 12 from CBSE board. Currently I am pursuing my BSc from Jai Narayan Vyas University, Jodhpur. My hobbies are playing cricket and volleyball, and I want to join Indian Air Force because it allows me to serve the nation with honor, and I want to help my family financially. Now coming to the topic that has been assigned to me is Make in India. Make in India is a strong initiative launched by an Indian government in 2014. It is launched to encourage local manufacturing units to produce their products in India. It allows increase the employment in India and also reduce the dependency of the import. There are more than 25 plus sectors included in it, like automobiles, pharmaceuticals, defense, etc. Make in India works on the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, and also it attracts the foreign investment. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Samrat Pratap Singh. I am from Kota, Rajasthan. I have completed my intermediate from CBSE and currently I am pursuing my BSc from Kota University. My hobbies are playing football and reading books. I want to join Air Force to serve my nation with pride and dignity. Here is my views on topic Make in India. Make in India program was launched by Government of India on 25th September 2014. The aim of this program is to make India global manufacturing hub. There are some benefits of launching this program, like it will create a job opportunity in India. It will also support some local businesses. It makes foreign investment in India, which will help to boost our economy. But there are some challenges also. Like in India, we do not have some infrastructure to support the Make in India factory and businesses. So it's our responsibility as well government responsibility too to provide such infrastructure and support Make in India program. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Nagendra Singh Rathod. I belong to Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Regarding my education, I am currently pursuing my BSc from Jai Narayan Vyas University, Jodhpur. My hobby is playing cricket and running, which make my body physically fit and mentally sharp. I want to join Indian Air Force to serve our nation and proud my parents. Yes, my view on Make in India. Make in India is a flagship program launched by the Government of India in September 2014, transforming India into a global manufacturing hub, which make India self-dependent, and we do not depend on the other country for our basic needs. When a large number of industries and factories are set up in India, then it creates a lot of job opportunity for our youth. Earlier, India is the biggest foreign seller of their fighter jets. Then in present time, India is make their own fighter jets, missiles and Rafales. Thank you, Jai.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Navratan Singh. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Currently, I am pursuing my Bachelor's of Arts from Jai Narayan Vyas University. My hobby is to play cricket and read books. I want to join Indian Air Force to continue the legacy in armed forces and serve the nation. Here is my view on the topic which has been assigned to me, Make in India. Make in India is an initiative launched by Government of India in 2014. It aims to make an India production hub in all over the world. It boosts Indian economy and creates job opportunities and reduce dependency on import and increase export. And also attract foreign exchanges and foreign investment, and it also promote manufacturing sector and skill innovation and new ideas. At the last, I would like to say the government should ensure the quality of products and improve the infrastructure in India. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Aipal Singh Bharti. I belong from Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. Currently, I am pursuing my BSc from Jai Narayan Vyas University, Jodhpur. My hobbies are playing football and reading books. I want to join Indian Air Force to fulfill my parents' dream and serve nation with pride. Here are my views on the topic Make in India. Make in India is a big initiative started by Government of India in 2014. The main motive of this initiative was to convert India into a manufacturing hub. It brings new technology in manufacturing sectors and attract the foreign investment and currency. It reduces the dependency upon import and give opportunity our youth to boost our economy by itself. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Akash Nathagi. I belong to Nagaur district, Rajasthan. Currently, I am pursuing Bachelor of Arts from Ajmer University. My hobbies are playing outdoor games and learning new skills. I want to join the Indian Air Force because it gives me an opportunity to serve the nation and work in a disciplined environment. Here's my view on the topic Make in India. Make in India is an initiative launched by the Government of India on 25th September 2014. Its main aim is to encourage opportunities for the people and create job opportunities. It's help in boosting the Indian economy, foreign investments, and promoting innovation. Money sectors such as automobiles, electronics, defense, and renewable energy has been also benefited for this initiative and create more job opportunities. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Prithviraj Singh. I belong to Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. I am currently pursuing BA from Jai Narayan Vyas University, Jodhpur. My hobbies are playing sport and maintaining physical fitness. My aim is to join Indian Air Force and serve the nation with dedication and pride. I would like to share my views on today's our GD topic Make in India, a step towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. Make in India is an initiative launched by the Government of India to promote local manufacturing and encourage companies to produce goods within the country. It supports economic growth and attracts foreign investment. The main objective of this scheme is to make India self-reliant and local manufacturing, reduce dependency on imports, and create job opportunities for the youth. However, challenges like skill gaps, need for better infrastructure, and competition from foreign products still exist. Therefore, with quality production, better infrastructure, and skill development, India can become a global manufacturing hub and achieve the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Ajay Vadara. I am from Hanumangarh, Rajasthan. I have completed intermediate from Rajasthan board. Now I am pursuing graduation from Village Bikaner. My hobbies are playing cricket and video editing. I want to join Indian Air Force to live a disciplined life and serve my nation with pride. The topic that has been assigned to me is Make in India. According to me, Make in India is initiative launched by Government of India in September 2014. It aims to transfer India to local manufacturing hub. It will create more job opportunities and encourage foreign investment and reduce the imports, and there are also major challenges of the Make of India, like it needs high skilled workers. In conclusion, it is a big step toward transforming India to developed nation. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Raghvendra Singh. I am from Jhunjhunu district of Rajasthan. I have completed my 12th with science stream and now pursuing graduation from the State University. My hobbies are watching movies and playing football, and I want to join Indian Air Force because it is a very respective job and I want to serve the nation as an Air Force personnel. Now I would like to say on our today's topic Make in India. Make in India program initiated by the Government of India. The main motive of this program is to make more and more products in India and attract the foreign companies. And if we make products in India, then new job opportunities are also created, and Government of India also give financial support for those who wanted to set up new factories for making products in India. Thank you.
First of all, Make in India scheme is not only the policy, it's our national identity and responsibility.
Make in India
Make in India is a strong initiative launched by an Indian
Our industry
government.
should focus on local manufacturing instead of quantity,
And it will create more job opportunities and increase foreign investment.
It also boosts Indian economy and also
We adopting local for vocal and support our local manufacturing.
Make in India scheme encourage foreign companies to set up their manufacturing unit in India so that new technology and skill can set up in India.
Industries like iPhone has started making phones in India, and it is not only iPhone is making phone in India, but it is also exporting phone to other countries.
Okay, gentlemen. Chest number 5 to chest number 4, one group. Chest number 16 to chest number 8, second group. First group, start discussion.
Government should help the new startup to encourage new ideas.
Government started making easier to register business.
Government should provide better infrastructure.
It create lot of job
investments.
opportunities.
This scheme will also help the defense sector of India in making indigenous aircraft missiles in India.
Government should also ensure the quality of products and improve infrastructure.
Government should make some policies to attract foreign investors.
I agree with chest number 4, and foreign investment also boost our economy.
In India, there are more than 25 plus sector in this scheme, including pharmaceuticals, automobiles, textile, and defense sector.
Make in India also contributes.
Okay, gentlemen. Second group, start discussion.
Our industry should focus on quality instead of quantity to compete with foreign products.
Under this program, our dependency on the foreign countries will be decreased.
To achieve greater success, we must provide and improve.
Yes, I agree with you. Like government should provide loans for local manufacturing.
Under this program, more factories are needed.
It will create more job.
Okay, whole group, combine, start discussion.
Youth must embrace technical education, skill development, and entrepreneurship programs.
It also helps in our economic boost.
This scheme helps to set up their manufacturing unit in India.
Our economy will be boosted.
Make in India should be taught in
complete our program.
The main aim
Okay, gentlemen.
program is transport.
Okay, gentlemen. Thank you so much. You have done a nice job. You may move out. Okay, your GD is over. Chest number 5. Okay, nice. Confidence is okay. Eye contact, you did well. Communication is okay. That can be much better, but try again. Okay. Chest number 9. Confidence was good. Eye contact. In the whole GD and in your narration part, you ignored chest number 5. Okay. So look into this matter. Otherwise, your communication is well. Nothing to worry about. Chest number 10. All good. Your confidence is on peak. Your eye contact is well. Communication is also good. Nice. Chest number 18. Yes, sir. Need to work on communication part. Otherwise, your eye contact and confidence is good. Okay. Chest number 14. All good. Confidence is okay. Eye contact is okay. Communication is also good. Chest number 4.
Yes, sir.
All okay. Maintain it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Confidence, eye contact, and your communication. Chest number 16.
Yes, sir.
Speak loud. Okay. That shows low confidence. So speak loud. That you can attract, or you can show that you are also someone to speak like. Okay. So your confidence is okay. Eye contact is also good. Your communication is also fine. Okay. Chest number 13. All good. Maintain it. Okay. I hope you all get selected. You all get selected in Indian Air Force and come again. Otherwise, you all are fine. Okay. Chest number 19.
Yes, sir.
You also, confidence is okay. Communication is also fine. But eye contact, you in your whole narration part, you ignored chest number 8. So keep in mind. Okay. Otherwise, you are also good. Chest number 8. All fine. Confidence, eye contact, communication. Nothing to worry about. All the best. You can move out. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.